In the coming years, the world will undergo tremendous changes thanks to artificial intelligence. We are just a small step away from artificial intelligence developing itself, resulting in humanity advancing enormously in every area. Imagine a machine possessing all human knowledge and being able to conduct millions of research projects simultaneously, at a speed as if hundreds of thousands of people were working on a project at the same time. Almost every day, we will read about scientific breakthroughs. Everything will progress, and this will affect everything, including media and individual media consumption and use. A new era of media is coming. All content will be created by AI in huge quantities and personalized. Imagine logging into Netflix, and all you have to do is choose what content you want to watch, and AI will create it for you in real time. It will know exactly what you like, what you want to see, all in the best quality. If you want, you can change the movie, the plot, any detail during the movie, or even make the movie never-ending. The same will happen in written media. Personalized, AI-generated infinite articles. Although the largest social platforms already display personalized articles or videos, currently 95% of them are created by humans. In the future, this number will be reversed. In the media, every piece of news will be personalized. A specific news item will appear differently for each user. Different writing styles, different images, different article lengths, and even the conclusion of the news content will be different. Therefore, the presentation of the news will be entirely unique, just the way you like it. Of course, this carries many risks. One of the biggest challenges related to personalized content is the bubble effect, which means that people only receive news and information that reinforces their existing views and interests. As a result, people may have access to less verified information and be less aware of other perspectives and viewpoints, leading to a narrow worldview. Another challenge is disinformation and fake news. If all news and information are personalized, it can easily lead to content distortion, resulting in disinformation. I personally expect that a large part of the current news portals will disappear. Only a few large news portals will remain, which will have the best artificial intelligence and algorithms, and they will publish articles in every language on Earth. These large news portals will become one large AI each. To give an example, imagine Microsoft operating a mega news portal with OpenAI. On these so-called mega portals, the news will be instant. By this, I mean that if a plane crashes, an article will be on the internet before firefighters reach the plane. A few seconds after the crash, there will be a multi-page news article with satellite images of the burning wreckage. How is this possible? AI will see everything in real time, both on the internet and outside it. These AIs will have access to satellites, control millions of drones, and even track every single person on Earth. These large companies will have a specific profile for every single person, largely based on our digital footprint. Of course, this will require a lot of resources, but that won't be a problem for them. Not only will most news portals disappear, but so will many companies. The first companies to develop strong AI will achieve such a competitive advantage that within a few months, they could grow to be several times larger than Microsoft, Tesla, or Google currently are. Strong AI refers to AI systems that operate at the level of human intelligence and are capable of thinking, learning, and making decisions independently. This could lead us into a future envisioned in sci-fi movies where megacorporations are born. Whether this will be good or bad for us is a much more complex question, and I will analyze that in another video. How much time do we have until the birth of strong AI? We may still have 10 to 20 years left, but once it happens, our current world will change rapidly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.